Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, March 5, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Hi, David. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am very good. But I need coffee. I am always tired in the morning.
I understand, me too. It is a long week.
Yes, it is. Is the coffee machine working?
Yes, it is working. I am making a cappuccino.
That sounds good. I want a black coffee, strong coffee.
You always drink black coffee. You have a lot of energy.
I need energy for sales. Today is a busy day. I have 3 meetings.
3 meetings? That is a lot. Good luck.
Thanks. What about you? Are you busy?
Yes, very busy. I have a project review at 10 o'clock.
You are always organized. You will do a great job.
Thank you, David. I hope so.
Hey, did you see the news yesterday? The Wall Street Journal?
No, I did not see it. I was working late. What happened?
It is amazing news. SpaceX launched a new satellite on Wednesday, March 4.
Okay, they launch satellites often. Why is this special?
It is an orbital billboard, a billboard in space.
Wait, a billboard? Like an advertisement?
Yes, a big screen in the sky. You can see it from Earth.
Really? That sounds crazy. Is it visible at night?
Yes, it lights up. It shows logos and ads in the night sky.
Oh, David, I do not like that. The night sky is beautiful. I want to see stars, not ads.
But think about the business. Imagine our company logo in the stars.
No, thank you. That is light pollution. It is too much technology.
It is the future, Alex. Marketing in space. It is very expensive, though.
I'm sure it is expensive, but it is also sad. Nature is important.
You are too serious? It is just a light in the sky. It is cool?
Maybe for you. I prefer a quiet sky. Did the article say how big it is?
Yes, it is huge. It is the size of 2 football fields.
2 football fields? That is massive. People will be angry.
Some people are angry. But companies love it. It is a big opportunity.
Well, I hope they turn it off sometimes. We need to sleep.
I want to buy an ad for my sales team. Buy from David in the sky.
You are funny. Please do not do that.
Okay. I will save my money. Speaking of money, are you hungry?
A little bit, why?
I am thinking about lunch, but lunch is getting expensive.
Everything is expensive now.
Yes, but did you read the New York Times on Monday, March 2?
I think so. Are you talking about the food tax?
Yes, the global meat tax. The UN wants a 15% surcharge on beef.
Yes, I read that. 15% is a big number.
It is terrible. I love burgers. I love steak. Now costs 15% more.
It is not law yet. It is just a proposal, but it might happen.
Why do they want to do this? It is bad for my wallet.
It is for the environment, David. Cows produce a lot of gas. It changes the climate.
I know. Global warming. But 15%?
If meat is expensive, people eat less meat. It is good for the planet.
But I am a sales representative. I need protein. I need burgers.
You can eat chicken, or fish, or vegetables.
Vegetables? No way. A salad is not a lunch.
A salad is healthy, you should try it.
Maybe, but I am not happy about the tax. 15% is too high.
It is a difficult topic. Farmers are worried too. It changes the economy.
Exactly. It is bad for business. Prices go up, sales go down.
But we have to protect the earth. We only have one earth.
True, but we also have only one lunch break, and I want a cheap burger.
You are impossible, David. Just bring lunch from home. It is cheaper.
I cannot cook. I am bad at cooking.
Then you have to pay the tax. That is life.
I guess so. The world is changing fast.
Yes, it is. Speaking of changes, did you see the news in USA today?
Which one? There is a lot of news this week.
The article from Tuesday, March 3, about social media.
Oh, the Kids Offline Act? Yes, I saw the headline.
Congress passed the law. It is official now.
So what is the rule? No social media for kids?
The age limit is now 18. If you are under 18, you cannot have an account.
18 years old? Wow, that is very strict.
I think it is good. Children spend too much time on phones.
I agree, but 18 is old. Teenagers want to talk to friends.
They can talk in real life or call on the phone. Social media is dangerous for kids.
Dangerous? Why?
It causes anxiety. They compare themselves to others. It is not healthy.
That is true. But how can they control it? Kids are smart.
The law says companies must check IDs. Real it is.
That is going to be hard. My nephew is 15. He loves Instagram.
He will be angry, but he will be happier later.
I don't know. 15 is a difficult age. If you ban it, they want it more.
Maybe, but schools are happy. Teachers say phones are a problem in class.
I remember when I was in school, we did not have phones.
Me neither. We played outside. It was better.
Yes, we played football. We did not look at screens all day.
Exactly. This law helps families talk more.
But think about the tech companies. They will lose users. They will lose money.
Money is not everything, David. Mental health is more important.
You are right. You are always right, Alex.
Not always. But on this topic, I feel strong. We need to protect children.
So, no space ads for kids and no burgers for me. What a week.
It is a very interesting week. 2026 is a crazy year.
You can say that again. Everything is changing.
Is your coffee ready?
Yes, it is ready. It smells delicious.
My cappuccino is ready too. It looks perfect.
Great. We have our coffee. We are ready for the day.
Yes. I have to go to my desk. I have to prepare for the meeting.
And I have to call my clients. I hope they are happy today.
Be nice to them. Do not talk about the meat tax.
Good idea. I will talk about the weather. The weather is safe.
Have a good morning, David. See you at lunch.
Yes, see you at lunch. Maybe I will eat a salad. Maybe.
Good choice. See you later.
Bye, Alex. Have a good one.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.